A very good day. The sun was bright in the blue sky. White clouds floated by. It was a perfect day for an adventure. I drove to a farm where you can pick your own fruit. The farmer showed me where to pick the best strawberries. I picked big red strawberries. I tasted one. It was warm from the sun and so sweet. I filled 3 pails with strawberries. I paid for them and got some ideas for yummy strawberry desserts. I met my daughter at the beach. She had a soft pink blanket on the sand. We sat on the blanket and ate sandwiches. We also ate a whole pail of fresh strawberries. We read books and relaxed in the sun. We put on sunscreen to protect our skin. The water looked so cool. My daughter went right in. I put my toes in. It was cold. Soon it was time to go home. We drove with the windows open and the wind in our hair. We made a delicious strawberry dessert with cake and ice cream. It was a perfect end to a perfect day.